Let me show you how to set up this circle backdrop. It came in this nice bag with handles, so it's very easy to carry, and the backdrop itself is lightweight but sturdy. It came nicely wrapped with the ends secured so that prevented it from getting any dings. They also included garlands for balloons. These two pieces are the legs, and we have 8 pieces total. You will need a box cutter or scissors to take the wrappings off the ends. Now these two are the two pieces that we're going to be attaching to the base, and we have some screws and rubber plugs, so let's put those in the legs, and that will stop it from slipping when it's on a bare floor. And we have 4 pieces of those. Now to connect the hoop to the legs, we're gonna have 2 sets of these. All you have to do is put a screw and a washer together, push it through the hole on the hoop and then through the hole on the leg. Then use your nut to tighten it from underneath. Then repeat the process for the next side, and you're gonna make 2 of these. Now I have my 2 legs. I'm gonna be turning them away from each other, and then I'll connect them. To connect them, just loosen the nut, insert the male into the female section, just push it right in, then tighten the nut. And you may want to wait until you complete your circle to tighten it fully. Now all that's left to do is to connect your other 4 pieces and put in one on one side, and then I'll put the next piece on the other side. Then I'll be left with 2 pieces, and for those 2 pieces I'll be connecting them together since I'm short. That way I'll have the piece that's going to the top already connected, and all I have to do is connect the 2 sides and I'll be good. And that is it. You may need to adjust the nuts to get your pieces straight, and remember to tighten them properly.